Alright, so here we are at the mouth of the creek. There's the corridor or whatever. Stop eating stuff. And water's like, it's like 1 inch deep right here. It just glides over. It's a little deeper. Yeah. Let's see. I don't know why I'm going over here. It's a shitty place to walk. It's a shitty place to walk. Oh, the back of my foot just got wet. Down into my shit kickers. Oh. Come on, puppy. There's a frickin' deer fly buzzing around the back of my frickin' head. You got something on you? Okay. So yeah, I don't know. Last time how far did we come up? Yeah. I don't remember how far we came up last time. Actually, hold on. Isaac, stop. Hold on. I hear something and there's a bend coming up around. I thought I heard something. So I'm going to leash him back up for a second. Come this way. Come on. Make sure I don't. It's a babbling brook. Shut up! You babble too much. Yeah. No, stop eating grass. Oh, look at all this algae stuff. Come on. Don't be eating stuff around here. You know. Actually. Alright, I'm going to take you back off. I'm swatting at this horsefly, and Isaac's like, what are you doing? I look like a maniac. Come on, quit lollygagging. You lollygagger. Lots of rocks. Why are you coming this way? Go forward. Go that way. Don't come to me. We're going this way. Get out of there. Come on. That's all nasty algae shit. You don't need to be going over there. Just walk. Walk. Come on. This is really nice back here. Isaac. Hold on. What the hell is that? I just heard something. Oh, it sounded small. But yeah. It might have just been a small animal. Yeah, all these pools are all slow. There's like pockets where the water's just slow and kind of stagnant. I don't want Isaac walking through there. Don't know. Oh, that's a nice smooth rock. Untwist myself. Come here. Stop. You're such a good boy. Yeah, I gotta be ready to leash him at any time in case there's anything. Isaac had the right idea. Around this way. What you doing? Come on. I think the bugs are starting to get bad. Come on, this way. Well, I don't know why you went that way. We're walking the creek. It gets deep over there. Come on, you'll figure it out. Look at this chunk of... Looks like a chunk of foundation wall. Like somebody's chunk of foundation wall or something that they, you know, like this is like what they would, you know, the old foundations for houses. They used just, you know, the stones that were lying around. Out here in the middle of, there's a couple of these chunks. There's a bunch of them. Oh, they must have been dumped here, obviously, years ago. A long time ago. Binky. Come on. Hey, run this way. You gotta get over here. Here, a lot of twists and turns, so you can't see what's upstream for more than 100 or 200 feet, and there is a freaking waterfall. Hold on, you'll see it in a second. Dude, Isaac, this is pretty cool. Although I think this might be a good spot to turn around. Yeah, this is a cool little area. Holy shit. This would be a great area if you're like 14, 15 years old and you want to just, spend a summer day, like, maybe smoking a bit of bud or something, or, hang out with your buddies, spend the day at the watering hole. There's Binky. Ooh, that's a nice rock. That is a nice rock. Yes. Some big boulders, Mr. Binky. All these little pools. There's a ball up there. And there's all these cool little pools. Yeah, I think this is part of like the park. There's a park that I probably just walked into. Oh, Isaac just made a big old leap. Wow, that's cool. The concrete's like worn away. So there's like a little pool in there, like a little grotto. Dead serious, it's like yeah. There's a rope. People go in there, I guess. It's like enclosed and there's a pool of water. I don't know if there's any Playboy bunnies in there. Let's see. That water's deep under the waterfall. Isaac's probably not. He wants to. Now, it looks like we can kind of maybe go up and around it up. But pretty much, to get up from here, oh, he could probably get up there if I helped him. That wouldn't be too hard. This is only about, standing here, this is only about like 4 feet from like there to there. Let's do. Nah, I don't know. How are we gonna get down? Because what I could do is I could just lift them up and put them up there, but then we gotta come down somehow. Which looks like I'd have to carry him. I could probably step down like maybe from that to that. Well, no, it's water there. Yeah, I don't know. Get your head out of the hole. Trent Reznor. Head like a hole. I see a power line or one of those transformers or whatever or something. So maybe it's a light. I don't know. So yeah, I think that's the edge of the park. But let's see. If we can maybe, I don't know, if there's a path, looks like we can go up through here. Yep. I don't know. He's looking, he's like, what are you doing? I'm gonna come up there. Alright, I'm gonna have to leash ya. Oh, look, a puppy climbs up the mountains like a man. Come here, hold on. Okay, alright, go on. Steep. Come on, puppy, move faster. I hate, he likes to lead sometimes, but then he's too fucking slow. Oh, yeah, check it out. It's the park. It is the park. And we came in, like, through the back door. Not a soul here. Isaac, I guess we'll have to take a walk. I guess we'll have to look around. Yeah, because you know what I could do? Knowing what I know now, I could pick Isaac up and we can continue walking from there all the way down. And if there's a way I can get out of here, we can walk back, this way. So, this is the first time we've ever been here, so. Ooh. Wow. I wonder if this is what Todd was talking about. Yeah, there's a road that goes further in, which I know. Come on, let's go over this bridge. So freaking quiet. Holy shit, you could definitely, yeah, bring the family. Frick. You could literally have like, yeah, you could easily have like 30, 40 people here. Ooh, this is pyramid rock. Oh, this rock is cool. It's a triangle. Oh, watch out, Binky. Pretty cool. Symmetrical. Symmetry. It's fun. You can quote me on that. Oh. All right. We're going to just walk beyond this fence, this gate here, and I want to see, just maybe take a peek where, you know, this creek kind of goes. There's some water spilling out right there. There's a lot of water. Well, it's hard to see. All right, we'll walk a little further up. Then I promise we're coming back. Come on. No, no, no. Come on, quit eating grass. Let's go. It's so quiet. Oh, does that road end like right there? What is that? It looks like there's a mound of rocks. All right. So now, I really want to go look at those rocks. I guess we're going further, Mr. Binky. All right. Come on, puppy. Yeah, it's like kind of a trail. It looks sort of. It's, you can see it's not used very often. There's like, you know, ATV and the two tire paths that are just kind of, you know, overgrown. Come on, puppy. What the hell? Oh, this is interesting. Ooh. We got a culvert pipe under there. Spits out into there. And there's that pile of rocks I was looking at. That's kind of cool. Nice manicured little brook. Oh, and there's where we can get out. Right there. Kind of wish I was on that side because I'd hop right down and I would walk back. Well, no, I can't walk back because there's that 4-foot thing. I can walk up it by putting Isaac up on top, and then we can walk all the way up here, get out, and then we'll walk all the way back on that side. We'll do that sometime. This is really nice up here. All right, so now, oh, should we cross and go on the other side? There was another path. See, that when we in that fenced area, when we just crossed that bridge, there's a yeah, the creek really slows down up here. It's very, very small. But when we crossed that bridge in that fenced area, directly right 100% behind me. No, we're not going up there. We're going back. Come on, you know, we have to walk all the way back home. You know, it took us 20 minutes to even get to start walking, so we're like 40 minutes in, so we're 40 minutes back, so do the math. Come on. there was a path that I wanted to go right on the other side of that fenced area where the pavilion and the girls were, where I was talking about. You could have the people hanging out. And I kind of wanted to go see that, but I think Isaac seemed more interested in crossing, and we can go back the other side and go back down where we came in. I really want to just walk this. This is nice and fun to walk. Nice and flat, but there's that waterfall. Come on, Banky. I kind of want to let him off the leash, but I don't know. People are coming. Come on, get up here. Come on. Yeah, that's another thing. Sniffing everything, and the bugs are starting to eat me. Come on, puppy. No. No, come on. Yes. 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 Come on. Nice. You're a good puppy. Yeah, I think there's bugs all around my hedge. There's peoples. We got peoples coming. Here, come here. Get off the road. They're turning around. Yeah. Well, parking maybe. Smoking weed. I missed your puppy. Your puppy's still there. Oh, I love this book. You're such a good dog. What a good puppy. Oh, bless you. Bless you. Yeah, over there. Over there is where I wanted to go, but we're not going to go there. We'll go back where we came. Back down where we came. Stop switching sides, Isaac. Isaac's zigzagging back and forth. See all these black raspberry bushes, but they're all just past. They're done for the season. I love black raspberries. They grow like everywhere here in New York. They're practically like weeds. But I love black raspberries more than the regular red raspberries around here. They're sweeter. Okay. Wait. Back. No, it's over here. Okay. Kind of would. Well, I don't know if I'd want to take that road back. It wouldn't be as interesting, but this is going to be a bit steep for Mr. Binky, so I'm going to have to be careful with him. Quit sniffing stuff. Hi. Come this way. You have to lead him. I know. Okay, I'm gonna have to I'll put some tension on his leash so that if he falls, I'll basically catch him. Gotta step down there and then here. It's a big step. Okay, good puppy. Yay. Ooh, big leap. From my old puppy. That is really cool. That is just... Did not know that existed. People have little fires. Hanging out like they should. Hanging out in nature and not sitting at home on their phone watching YouTube videos of some jerk off walking his dog. Does that sound like you? I'm just kidding. I do the same thing. And you know what? I may as well. It's a little tricky now because I don't think anyone's going to be coming up that way, but Isaac unleashed for now. Oh, easy. Yeah, freaking algae. Hey, no, don't eat that stuff. Come on. Well, pretty much the walk back, so I think I'll end it here. Mr. Puppy, do you think this is a good time to end the video? Say nothing if you do nothing if you means yes. Sounds good.